Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning. How are you all doing today? I'm also doing great. My name is Pooja and today we are going to play a group discussion on Teachers Day. So today I got a chance to speak on something on Teachers Day, why we celebrate and what's the importance of that. And after me there is a several student who are also going to present on the topic of Teachers Day, why we celebrate and how we can celebrate it. So without wasting the time, I would like to start the why we celebrated Teachers Day. So as we all know that the Teachers Day is celebrated every year on 5th September, and why we celebrate them in the remembrance of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is the former president of India. And we can see that since 1962 we had started celebrating a Teachers Day, just because on his birthday he don't like to celebrate his birthday as a birthday. So he suggested their students that if we will celebrate and just donate ourselves to the teachers, those who teach all the years to their students, so we celebrated a Teachers Day. On that day we had started celebrating a Teachers Day. What we can do on this day to make or feel special to our teachers, we can just give them a greeting card and we can treat whatever they are teaching us, we can become that kind of a student what they want from us, and by which we can make them proud. And that's why we celebrated Teachers Day. What I when I used to be in school, so on that day also we used to celebrate a Teachers Day. We play a role of a teacher, whoever, just like our favorite teacher, we play the role and we give the rest to our teachers on that day. So thank you so much.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
So today I would like start from myself. So why do we celebrate Teacher Day? Because without teacher we are nothing. It is a special day when we celebrate our feelings with our teachers. Because in a normal day we know that he is our teacher and we are the students. We are reading here. We are learning so many things. But why we always think that because we made so many days. But same things we apply on the Teachers Day. Because on the day of the teachers we can do acting of teachers. We can share our lovely moments, we can share our good things which provided by our teachers. So these kind of the good things we can do. If our parents always gives at birth, but after who pamper us in our life, who always gives a guidance, who always give a proper way. Teacher always gives a proper way. If I talk about this institute, when we got admission here, we learned so many things, how to behave to someone, how to learn so many things, how to speak in front of the person. So because lots of confidence we get because of our teacher. If teacher is not available on that time, we can't guide to someone.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I hope you're good and well. So today I want to share my views on Teachers Day. As you know, who is a teacher? Who subject teaches a subject, who teaches us theoretical or practical knowledge? I don't think so. Teacher is a person who teaches moral values, who give us personal experience of their life. Teacher can be anything. It can be an animal, it can be our parents, it can be ourselves, it can be anyone. We can learn from from anyone. If I want to give an opinion on that, there's a teacher who teaches us maths, and she's very good at maths. At that time I don't know how to calculate the calculations. I'm very afraid of maths, but that she's a teacher. She teaches me everything, what is the basic calculations, what how can I do calculations. So I can say that she's a very good teacher, and I can learn so many things from her side. I learn how to build confidence. I learn how to perform anything.
Okay, so good morning class.
Good morning.
Okay, so how are you all?
Fine.
I'm also fine. So now we are hearing for the Teacher Day, and I want to put my view what is the Teacher Day and why we celebrate. We are giving too much importance for the education, because the education is everything for us. And the why we celebrate, because the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, he was born on that day, and he believed that we are here, that we give us too much importance for the education, that we are something that we can do each and everything, we can achieve our life. And teacher is not the person that always give a subject or the knowledge. That a teacher who always stand for a life, for he is a part of in our life. You can take example our mother. She didn't teach us any subject and any particular knowledge, but she teach us how to walk, how to talk, how to behave to someone. That's called a teacher. That's why we are celebrating a Teacher Day. And the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, he gives their 14 years in the education sector, that they know value of the education. And now we are hearing to Teacher Day. We should celebrate, and every day we should give a respect to teacher. Doesn't matter that Teacher Day or every day is coming, we should give a teacher, we should give a respect.
Good morning, class. Good morning. So today we are celebrating as our Teachers' Day on 5th September. So I think we all are first of all very lucky because we born in India. The reason is maybe few countries celebrating the Teachers' Day, and India is one of the country who celebrate the Teachers' Day. Maybe most of the students know why we are celebrating the Teachers' Day due to the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first president of our country, and he was maybe little bit struggled on our pastime. So that is the reason he knows the value of the Teachers' Day. So that is the reason today we are giving the respect to the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, as well as we all are 12th pass out, and also we are giving respect on that day on our teachers. So maybe we all are very lucky, as well as I think maybe we say our teacher is our as you can say second type of guardian. With the help of teacher we are going in a very good path, and the teacher always teaches how to become and how to achieve our successful goals. And maybe teacher is also very good, and maybe when we did any type of mistake, so our parents scold us or maybe beat us, but the teacher try to.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm also fine. So today I got a chance to speak about the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So I would say one thing. He was born in 5 September 1888. That's the reason we make a Teachers' Day. In this day we remember the teacher who teaches in our school. So at that moment we feel very cry and we feel very emotional, because after 12th class we have no time to meet him. So that's the reason we feel very emotional, and where somewhere our tears also comes. It's we can say it's one kind of feeling, as well as if he was the first male teacher who was born in India. That's a good sound for our side, because we all are Indian. So at that moment we feel proud, and as well as he was that person. He has a recipient of the Bharat Ratna award.
Morning, all of you. Good morning. So I hope you are all fine. So today our topic is teachers. So I think we have a lots of points of the related to teacher, but according to me, I think which teacher is very important for our life. So life is very good teacher for our side, because that like life is guide to how to teach, how to survive in the earth. Because my parents, my teacher, I have lots of teachers previous time, because school time also we have. But life is very good, because that like sometimes people also criticize to you ki you can't do, but I can do. Because I think first of all believe on self, because can't believe too blindly everyone, because that like you have guts, you have power, so definitely you will do everything. Suppose that you can't believe on yourself, so you can't do everything. So that's why reason. So I think teacher is very good, important for our life. Without teacher we can't do everything, because every sector teacher is very important. Like suppose that you good play cricket, suppose that, so I think mentor also available for your side, because I think sometimes you are not well played to cricket.
Friends, good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm also today my topic is Teachers' Day. So Teachers' Day is very nice day to my opinion and to teachers' opinion, and students is give gifts to the teachers, and it is very good to according to me. And teachers is one kind of third God, and teachers is very legends and in the world, and teachers is give lots of knowledge, and teachers, and there are lots of teachers in the world, like lots of subject teachers, like Hindi subject teachers and English subject teachers, and lots of subjects in the world, and teachers is very good to my opinion. So teachers is give lots of knowledge, and teachers have a lots of knowledgeable things and knowledgeable words, and this is very good for me and for every students. So students is make a greeting card and give the teachers, and this is very good to my opinion. And teachers.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
So if I talk about the teacher, why we celebrate teacher, because of the Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And second thing is that who is our best teacher. First I said the mother and father. Everyone know who gave us talk. So our mother teach us how to talk, and our father teach us how to walk. And if I say best teacher in our world, that is our time, because the time teach all of the things. If I say the time in a bad way and in a good way, the time is always supporter. If anybody in the greedy and anything, if they are doing in the bad in their sector, so the time teaches you are bad in your time you will get your punishment. If anybody is doing faith with anyone, so on this moment time teachers in our God who teach that you will go in the heaven. If I say next thing, so why we celebrate in this day, we celebrate teacher because the teacher is like a human, and teacher also needs.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Okay, once again, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. And today we all are the celebrate the Teachers' Day, and we all are the share are the opinion why we are celebrate the Teachers' Day. The reason is that what is the role of the teachers, and the teacher is a very vital role in our life. The reason is that who's are the first teacher in our life. Our parents is our first teacher in our life, and by the parents we can learn so many things. How to communicate to another person and how to survive in our life. And when we stuck to any kind of the problem, at that moment we need a teacher and our parents. And the teacher every time they give a good advice for our future and our life. And the teacher day will come. So at that moment the children also to be a teacher in our life. And in the school I just see a lot of the things, the student to be a teacher, and the one day